Hillary Clinton was giving a speech in Iowa when once again one of her infamous coughing attacks hit her. Take a look at the video for yourself. This one was pretty bad.
Will set the tone for years to come. So we have to get it right. There must be consequences. We do talk a lot of this. Please say yes. There must be consequences. To, excuse me.